Warm greeting to everyone. Today we are going to perform a skit based on Diwali. As we all know, Diwali is the festival of light. It is celebrated because Lord Ram returns Ayodhya after 14 years of Vanvas in a jungle. This festival also marks the victory of good over evil. See, we know this much, but what about the rest of the days of Diwali? Why are those days celebrated?
Many of us don't know the significance of these days. That's why we are performing a skit for you. Our motive is to make you aware of the importance and cause of these 5 days, which are Dhanteras, Naraka Chaturdashi, Lakshmi Pujan, Bali Pratipada, and Bhai Dooj. Let's see them all.
Where are you going?
Going to purchase some jewelry and utensils on the account of a Dhanteras.
Utensils on Dhanteras. But why?
Because Dhanteras is also known as a Dhantradashi or a Dhanvantri. It is the first day of a Diwali. The word Dhan means the wealth and it is considered for the auspicious to buy gold or silver, at least a utensil. On this day we begin the celebration of a Diwali, and this day falls before or 2 days before of a Diwali and the 13th day of a dark fortnight in the month of Kartik and Kuber. We worship the god of a wealth. It is also believed that the goddess Lakshmi came out from the ocean of a milk by the churning of the sea. Hence, in the evening, the Lakshmi Pujan is celebrated. Tiny diyas to drive away the evil
Do
spirit.
you know what is Narak Chaturthi?
Yes, Narak Chaturthi falls on the second day of Diwali and is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Krishna against Narkasur. The day is also known as Choti Diwali, Kali Chaudas or Roop Chaudas. According to Hindu mythology, Narkasur, son of earth, who rules several kingdoms, becomes an evil Asur. He later tries to rule heaven and earth. Later, Krishna attacks Narkasur and beheads him with his Sudarshan Chakra. Hence, there is a ritual to break Karit, a bitter fruit, on the day, symbolizing the victory of good over the evil.
My mother has invited you at her home for Lakshmi Puja.
Yeah, I'll surely come. But why do we celebrate this third day, means Lakshmi Puja?
The third day of Diwali is dedicated to goddess Lakshmi and is known as Lakshmi Puja. The puja is a combination of 5 deities: Ma Lakshmi, Lord Ganesh, Ma Kali, Ma Saraswati and Lord Kuber. On this day, people pray for wealth, prosperity and happiness for their dear ones. Though the day falls on Amavasya, which is usually considered as inauspicious day on Lakshmi Puja, it is regarded as auspicious day on Lakshmi Puja. It is believed that on Lakshmi Puja, goddess Lakshmi visits her devotees and bless the family with health, wealth and
What
happiness.
is the cause of that we celebrate Bali Pratipada? And who is this Bali?
This is the 4th day of Diwali. It is celebrated as Bali Pratipada, the day when Lord Vishnu's avatar Vamana took over all the 3 worlds from demon king Bali. Later, the king was sent to underworld. As the king had great affection for his people, he gains permission to visit the kingdom once a year. And since then, people celebrate the homecoming of Bali as Bali Pratipada. Hey, do you know I'm getting a new laptop on this Bhai Dooj? I just love this day because I get many gifts and money on this day. I personally feel that this day is celebrated to give gifts to our sisters. What about you?
Congratulations for getting laptop, but the actual reason of celebrating this day is in the 5 days of a Diwali, including Bhai Dooj. The day is dedicated to the bond of a sister and brother, and Bhai Dooj is also known as a Bhaubiz or a Bhai Tilak. And the god of a death, visits his sister Yamuna on this day, and she puts a red tilak on his forehead, and later Yam announces that any brother who has a red tilka on his head is experienced for a good health and a fortune, and this day is also known as a Bhai Beej. And since on this day a brother visits his sister and the tilak ceremony is applied and the exchange of gifts is performed.
You should not burst firecrackers because the smoke created by them pollutes the air and the sound results in the noise pollution, which can harm environment and to us also. Please stop that.
There is no fun without firecracker. What shall I do now?
There are many other things to do. Let's donate.
Wow, this is even more interesting and enjoyable than bursting firecrackers. Thank you.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come in actually. I have a good news. This Diwali, our products are imported from China, Japan, Korea, and many other 4 to 5 countries. Do one thing. Put an article on our official website and other social media platforms too. See, the heading should be like this. This Diwali, Spark Decorators will provide you with foreign decorations. Started today itself. We have no time.
Excuse me, sir. Actually, I'm sorry to interfere in your decision, but what I recommend you is instead of using that foreign products, why can't we use our Indian products? Wait, let me show you. I have some organizations. I mean some Indian organizations. Let me show you. Yeah, this Lakshmi NGO. The women make handmade, long-lasting products which are made up of waste and are 100% eco-friendly. Then the Sunshine Orphanage School. These children paint on various things like diyas, puja plates and other items which are used in Diwali. Yeah, I got one more. This old age home. These senior citizens prepare items for Diwali like lanterns which are elegant, adorable and also theme based. That too in cheap prices with warranty. Sir, what I think is Diwali is an Indian festival and so why can't we celebrate it with Indian products?
Okay, listen. Provide those organizations with charity fund from our company on account of Diwali. They also have the right to celebrate a happy and prosperous Diwali.